Hey Jaguars, welcome to another week at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. It's time for our weekly announcements for February 22nd through February the 26th. This is a reminder that all face-to-face learners will be in session 5 days every week unless there is a previously scheduled day off. So see you 5 days this week, Jaguars! Our menu for the week is as follows. On Monday, pizza, which is a change from our printed menu. Tuesday, hot dog. Wednesday, vegetable beef soup and grilled cheese sandwich. Thursday, crispy chicken on a bun. And Friday, muffin, yogurt, string cheese. This too is a change from our printed menu. Jaguars, thank you for continuing to correctly wear your mask, washing your hands often, and practicing social distancing. Please communicate with your teacher if you're not feeling well or someone in your home is under quarantine or is tested positive for COVID. Jefferson families, once again, please familiarize yourself with the FAQ for COVID-19 absences that are posted on this slide. Monday, February 22nd is Bus Driver Appreciation Day. We have some amazing bus drivers. Jaguars, I hope you will take the time to share with them a kind word or maybe even give them a card that you made for them. We think our bus drivers are really great. It's time to celebrate our Jaguars who have a birthday this week. Celebrating a birthday on February 21st in 1st grade, Evie L. 4th grade, Max N. On February 23rd in 4th grade, Lizzie L. And in 4th grade, Tessa L. On February 26th in 2nd grade, Dawson P. And on February 28th, is Miss Gage, one of our 3rd grade teachers. Happy birthday, Jaguars, and enjoy celebrating. You are a wonderful gift to our world. And now let's give a big Jefferson shout out to our Jefferson Leaders of the Week. In kindergarten, Cohen E. and Emily M. In 1st grade, Eleanor C., Silas H., Finley L., and Bentley P. In 2nd grade, Abigail A., Carter H., Silas H., and Xavier M. In 3rd grade, Abe S., Rosalind M., and Santi E. In 4th grade, Aurelin B., Diego C., Addie H., and Aaliyah J. And in 5th grade, Phoenix D., Damian P., and Ava T. Way to go, Jaguars! You are amazing leaders of the week. And now join me for some words of wisdom. Jaguars, we are gearing up for Read Across America, and we wanted to give you plenty of time to get ready. We are going to have a door decorating contest. The homeroom in 1st place will win $100 scholastic dollars for the classroom library. In 2nd place, that classroom will win $75 for their scholastic book library. And in 3rd place, that homeroom will win $50 scholastic dollars. That should be a lot of fun. So get busy thinking about how you might want to decorate your door for Read Across America. We also will have a Drop Everything and Read Day, a Get Caught Reading surprise, and a Dr. Seuss trivia challenge, along with a story walk activity. And to top it all off, we are going to have a Read Across America dress-up week. And all this begins on Friday, February 26th, and runs through Thursday, March the 4th. So this Friday, February 26th, come dressed in your favorite appropriate pajamas or comfy clothes and snuggle up with a book. And then on Monday of next week, March the 1st, come wearing your favorite hat. On Tuesday, wear your favorite college shirt or dress up for your favorite career. And then on Wednesday of next week, wear your wackiest, mixed up, mismatched outfit, and wacky hair is a bonus. And then the last day, Thursday, on March the 4th, is Twin Day. So come dressed like a friend or teacher. And remember, Jaguars, all this begins this Friday. And remember, you're never too old, too wacky, too wild to pick up a book and read to a child. And Jaguars, always remember this. This is from Dr. Seuss again. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you'll learn, and the more places you'll go. So get busy reading, Jaguars. And now you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.